Asuntoskeittiö Aarensalpa.
Today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja student 8 stick is bigger in Martinlaakso. Winter lakes here. Morten's dog, Vantaa, Western Vantaa in the Husky Sports Region, was found in Finland, 6 floors. Built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren. It's turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022, but it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is VS2878. Capacity is 4 person 320 grams. So it's the correct button here, K, the original one. As it's the basement floor, it's K here. In A, it's the spare part, P button.
Yeah. It's ground floor and or X level. It's K, but the basement is half floor below.
It's half down here.
Yeah.
So K is here is in this case is actually used both for the basement and street level.
I think only street level because it's still down, but
yeah. Then it's because it's on the same level as the street level.
Yeah.
That's true. So all of these are actually street levels.
Yeah.
But P is only one changed button number. Stick is A.
Yeah.
But it's almost the same for in that case because it's like street level is the same as ground floor.
Yeah. Expected pakiwise, but me eteenpäin Suomi.
You can see 6th floor is there actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Also in here some of the floors, these floor numbers of the doors were changed also.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's